Well, Omar, can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
All right, good. So, this is our first class, and
Yes.
to improve our speaking skills, we gotta stay in an English speaking environment where you can
Yes.
be exposed to quality English, and you gotta make sure you listen to somebody speaking fluently, accurately with standard pronunciation, but slowly but surely we can improve. Yes, Omar, don't worry about no background noise. Some people would be there. Don't worry. We're learning from home. So in online classes, these sort of things are quite natural. Don't worry. So Omar, I gotta ask you some questions.
Okay.
All right. So Omar, let's see. What sort of English you can speak? Let's see. Some typical questions. Omar, ready?
Okay.
So, what's your full name then?
My full name is Umar Haq.
Okay. And what do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you study then?
I study at Dhanmondi Government Boys High School.
All right. So, which class do you read in?
I read in class 9.
Okay, good. Where do you usually live? Do you live in Dhaka?
Yes, I live in Dhaka.
And at this moment, where are you now?
And I'm now in Raniganj.
Oh, I see. Okay, so your parents are there as well?
My father is with me.
Okay, so when are you going to come back to Dhaka? So when will you come back?
I will come back at night.
Right. So we will have another class tomorrow. You know that, no? Fridays and Saturdays.
Yes.
Then another day, one of the weekdays. So I mean, in speaking classes, I'm telling you, I will be speaking English most of the time, but yes, when it's about explaining things, I will explain things in Bangla. Proyojon hole ami explanation এর দরকার হলে I will speak in Bangla, but no, I'd like to make sure in our speaking classes we stay in an English speaking environment. English speaking environment এ না থাকলে শুধু বই পড়ে বা course materials you can't improve your speaking skills. All right? So you gotta be speaking,
Yes.
and you gotta make sure you stay in an English speaking environment. Well, Omar, so I will give you some other things now. Are you ready for that? Do you have a copy and a pen? You gotta do some writing.
Yes.
Well.
Yeah.
All right, good. And try to speak English during the class. Make mistakes, don't worry. I'm here. I gotta correct your mistakes. Yes, make mistakes, but make sure you are ready to learn from your mistakes. ভুল করো problem নাই, কিন্তু ভুল থেকে শেখার ইচ্ছা থাকতে হবে. All right? So keep on learning, keep on making mistakes, but at the same time, you gotta correct your mistakes. Okay. Now I'm going to give you something, quite structured. All right, ready?
Okay.